Here's a question for you. Have you ever taken out about 20 bolts at once because you're on such a roll and then realized that you actually don't remember where any of those bolts go because you're on such a roll? Well, here's a simple trick that you can remember to do before you take those bolts out to help you remember where those bolts go when you're ready to put them back in. It's super simple. It's not like magic or anything. I'm not a magician, although I've always wanted to be one. All you need is a piece of styrofoam, right? Styrofoam. And now that my brain fart has ended, all you need is a piece of styrofoam. It does not matter the size, just as long as you can kind of make it look in your head like the piece that the bolts adhere to on the actual car. Let me show you what I mean. So right now I'm taking off the valve cover. Take my rectangular piece because it kind of follows the shape of the valve cover, and I'm going to put it in the top of the corner. Bam! Super easy, super simple. And these ones I already took out earlier, and I actually know where they go. And then for nuts, what I do is I take a machine bolt and make sure that it can go and won't go through the nut. Pop that baby in there. Look at that. Beautiful. And this is perfect for when you have a variety of different size bolts and nuts. For example, with the valve cover, there are some bolts that are very specific to the part that they bolt to, and for a specific reason, like they're longer or whatever, and they need to be longer. So you want to make sure that you always have the correct bolts going back into the correct place, and this will help you do it. Look at that, it's beautiful. I should patent it. And then when it gets really complicated, just to give you a little guide. And we should be able to figure out the rest. And that's how you keep yourself from going crazy. I'm Jackie, your Jackie of all trades. Until next time.